Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Renee and today we are doing a giant unboxing. It is so huge, I don't even know how to fit this miniature into my camera, but I'll do my best and we'll see what's gonna happen. First I cut the tape here, not that much. Here's a big lid. Okay. It's fitted into styrofoam. Yeah, that's a big one. I'm super sorry I can't show more. Yeah, that's the styrofoam where the creature, this monster is inside. Get the big part out of the way and then I just cut it here. We'll open it and then maybe we can see a bit more. I'm super sorry, but my camera space is very small, and here you can see a bit more how big this so-called mini is. I will take the parts out. First the dragon's body. That's a huge thing. Here are some plastics for the wings. Here the tail will fit in. I'll take the tail first. Just lay it down here. Then I take the wings out so I can put the styrofoam away. And I get the wings out. Those are some huge wings. So, I mean, you know this map is 20 inches roundabout, so this wing alone is 18 inches in length. And this, yeah, also about 18 inches. And you see Balagos here with all this detail here. Ooh, that's great. That's a great miniature. Here you can see only the wings here. I have to take pictures when it's all done, but here you can see just the wings. You can see all the details here. It's a bit sturdy. You can see the bone structures looking out here. And so that should get a hold for a long time, I hope. It's a bit flexible. So then I put the tail onto the dragon. Oh, that's an easy fix. Easy. Just click it inside. Not a click, but very durable. So then I would try to put the wings inside this mini. First I take this out. Okay, that's stable. Okay. Okay, that was easier. So we have this should be that wing. So I'll try to click in this wing. Okay. I put in this wing. I don't know if it has to click, but as you can see, that's a really huge miniature. As I could try to put it together as good as I can, but I try to switch it to the side, get my white dragon quickly to get a size difference. So now I get a white dragon. I put it here, and here's Balagos as the monster he is. That is a huge miniature. I'll try to take some good pictures and we'll add those to the video. Yeah, that should do the trick. Yeah, and that's all for today. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends. I appreciate your support and see you the next time. Bye.